Welcome to this guided meditation, designed to help relieve your headache and bring comfort to your mind and body. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down free from distractions. Close your eyes gently and let us begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale through your mouth. Breathe in and out. As you continue, imagine a cool, calming light entering your body with each inhale and tension leaving your body with every exhale. Let this rhythm guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Now, bring your attention to your forehead. Imagine a soothing warmth gently spreading across this area, melting away any tightness or discomfort. With each breath, feel the pressure easing, as if a soft, gentle breeze is brushing away the tension. Allow this sensation to flow to your temples. Picture them being gently massaged by invisible hands, radiating comfort and ease. Notice how your head feels lighter, your body softer, as you allow yourself to let go of any strain or stress. Shift your focus now to your neck and shoulders. Often, tension in these areas contributes to headaches. Imagine any stiffness dissolving like mist in the morning sun. Let the calming light flow down, relaxing every muscle, every fiber, leaving you in a state of peaceful relief. Take a few more deep breaths. Feel how your head is clearer, your body more at ease, and your mind more calm. Know that this feeling of relaxation and comfort will stay with you as you move through the rest of your day. Whenever you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your well-being. You are relaxed, you are at ease, and you are well.